So here's the miniature right now. If you want to volunteer now at Foxfield, you can. And you can also, when you volunteer, you can help the miniature railway. Because right now, all this track needs to be replaced. Needs some weeding all the way down there. All the way down there. Needs some weeding. We need to figure out a way about this. And somewhere around over 12 can help with this. Over here there's a pile of rocks that you can help to move and fill in some gaps for some more track. If you want to fill in the gaps for the miniature. So just come to the miniature, help the miniature, and yeah, help it, just help it. And here's how you use the switches. You put it in the middle, it comes off a little bit, and put it the other side, goes like that. You demonstrate. Exactly. Now, there's these switches over here. This one has a rope on it. The rope is no difference. There's one over there, but it doesn't have this little pin. This little pin here doesn't have a
bolt.
Well, yeah.
The pin's here.
Yeah, well, I'm the cook. I don't let her in the kitchen.
So that's how you move this one. You just move it with your feet. You put the bolt in.
Stand to the ring and it took me 2 hours to get off.
That's how you move that track. Points. Now down here I will show you the miniature. So on the ride, you go down this track, and that's it. Then you go around there, do a loop, and then come down this track again, right down there.